walking over to Mommy's. Mommy?
Yeah.
Was key.
So what did the honking geese do?
He over Mommy, and then Mommy was scared, so
Yeah.
we had to go in another place.
Yeah. How big was the honking geese?
Big, big, big. Like that.
Yeah. Were you scared? You weren't?
Mommy saved me.
She did?
Yeah.
What a good mommy.
She's a good mommy.
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta watch out for those honking geese. I hear they can be really mean.
Yeah, they're walking close like the big honking geese.
Yeah. Well, that's good. It's good mommy loves you and protects you. Do you love your mommy? Do you love your mama's shirt?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's time for a nap.